Hello everyone, welcome to the Group 5 presentation for Computer 385. Our app's name is called Atmintis, and it's an app for Alzheimer's patients which basically helps them to keep their memories forever. In fact, Atmintis is the Lithuanian word for memories, so we thought it might be a nice touch. So the app is relatively simple, so you can add photos to a sort of a gallery where you can add captions, both text and audio, to identify who is in the photo, where it was taken, and those kind of sorts. And further, you can add like location captions, which help you immortalize the location where the photo or the memory was taken. Apart from that, you can also add tags, which is basically, okay, this is my son Matthew, or this is my daughter, or something. And after that, you can also like sort the features by the tags as well. Yeah. So the first feature is the gallery, as you can see, which is probably the most important feature of the app. Yeah, so you can add a bunch of different photos to the gallery. It all depends on the user, and all the photo files are selected locally from the device's internal storage. So as you can see, you can add a whole bunch of photos. As you can see, when you select a photo, you have certain buttons associated with it, and the buttons have like functionalities. You can add tags by pressing the bottom left button, while pressing the bottom right button, while the top right button is for audio captions. And now coming to text captions are one of the most important features we have as well, as they help you identify the photos in question. So yeah, so you can add a bunch of captions, and you can also edit captions by long pressing the enter caption button. So yeah, it's made available that way. Next are the tags, which are basically, they help you identify and sort by the people. For example, if you have a lot of photos of a particular person, those photos you can always sort by them. This feature is similar to the one used by Google Photos, like how it helps us effectively organize different types of photos, and characterize them and classify them together. The next feature we have is the locations, which are basically tags. Tags or captions about the locations where the photo was taken. This can be really helpful, as locations are one of the places we often cherish most often. For example, this can be a birthday party you took the photo in, or your son's graduation, or things similar to that. So yeah, it's a tag where you can basically do the same things, and it displays the location where it was taken. The display needs to be, the caption needs to be entered by the user, of course. Next we have the audio captions, which are audio captions, as we said, are similar to text captions, but the user records their own voice to record the captions. We thought it adds a much more personal touch that's needed to the whole idea of storing memories together. So the whole idea of adding voice notes was as a way to personalize the image or the memory even further. So that's why we implemented the feature of audio captions. Next feature on our list is probably text-to-speech. So text-to-speech is again, it's similar to audio caption, but instead of providing the much more needed personal voice, it's just the computer-generated voice which says out the text caption. So it works similar to the. It's actually a beautiful hybrid between the text captions and the audio captions, as is as it reads out loud what you have entered as the text caption. Well, I guess that's all the features we have today. Thank you for joining us, and hope you have a nice day.
Truck.
An old truck.